Back to my channel. This is the Queen Phoenix. The beautiful stitch in front of you is made up of V stitches. Let me put it closer. It's very similar, should I say, very similar to V stitches. It has a bit of a staggered effect, very structured. This is the front, this is the back. In order to make the stitch, you require a multiple of 6 stitches, and to that you need to add 2 more stitches. So grab your hook and your yarn and let's make this. So what I have done already, I have made my 20 chain stitches. For row 1, you're going to single crochet into the second chain from your hook, 1 single crochet. You're going to skip 2 chain. Into the next chain, you're going to make the following 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and 1 double crochet. You're going to make 1 chain and 1 double crochet, all into the same space. So in your third chain, you have 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet. You're going to skip the next 2 chain, and into your third chain, you're going to make 1 single crochet. And you're going to repeat that. Skip 2 chain. Into the third, you're going to make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, all in the very same chain. Then you're going to skip 2 chain. Into your third, you're going to make a single crochet, skip 2 chain, 1, 2. Into the third, you're going to repeat 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet. When you at the end of your row, when you have your 3 chain, you're going to skip the 2 chain, and in the last stitch, you're going to make 1 double crochet. 1 single crochet, and that is row 1. For row 2, chain 4. Turn your work. The chain 4 that you just made counts as 1 double crochet and 1 chain stitch. Make a double crochet in to the very same stitch. Now you're going to skip the very first double crochet. After that, so skip your double crochet, skip the first chain, and into the center double crochet, or the center of the shell stitch, you're going to work 1 single crochet. Skip the chain 1, skip the double crochet, and work that shell stitch. So the shell stitch I'm referring to is the one of the previous row, which is 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and 1 double crochet. And we're going to work all of that into the single crochet. This is a very repetitive pattern, so it makes it extremely easy to follow. Now in the next shell, the double crochet in the middle, make 1 single crochet. And that is your repeat for the entire pattern. You're going to make your shell stitch into your single crochet of your previous row. and you're going to make one single crochet in the middle of your shell stitch, the middle double crochet. You'll just make one single crochet, and you will work in that manner right to the end of your row. When you get to your final single crochet, which is this one right on the edge of your work, you're going to work one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet. That is row 2. For row 3, chain 1 and turn your work. One single crochet in the exact same space. In the single crochet stitch, work a shell stitch. So from the previous row, you can see you made a single crochet stitch. Please work the same shell stitch. So you know your shell stitch already is one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet. And that's what you're working there. You're going to repeat that in the double crochet of in the previous row you made a shell stitch. In the center double crochet, please make one single crochet. So then you're going to skip the chain, skip the double crochet, and into your single crochet you're going to make the shell stitch, which is one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet. Skip the double crochet, the chain, and in the center double crochet of the shell stitch, please make one single crochet. And that is what you do for your entire row until you come to the very end of your work, or end of your round, or end of your row. At the end of your row, you're going to work one single crochet into the 3 chains. So from the bottom, count 1, 2, 3, and that's where you're going to go in and make one single crochet. This is row number 3. And this is it. For the rest of your pattern, you're going to repeat rows 2 and rows 3 until you get to your desired length, where it'll look like this. Where it will look more like this, but this is the pattern of it. It's extremely simple to work up. Don't forget to tag me in the video you make, and this is the Queen Phoenix out, and thank you so much for watching. Cheers.